everybody, here we are, boys. Bright and early on a Saturday morning. Where we headed?
Georgetown, Texas.
For a Super Beetle Pan. Why may you ask that? Yeah, I don't know either.
Cheap parts.
You know what? It's just, well, it was out there and has our name on it. Super Beetle Pan. So it's the start of a pretty major day today, right?
Yep, that's the word.
Super Beetle Pan. Come back here, drop off Super Beetle Pan, get the 6570 together. Is kind of, I've heard a plan on that. Perhaps.
Yeah, I think we should put the fenders on and get it prepped just for pictures to post up. I'm the one that bought the wrong thing for us.
We have a couple of purchases like that. That's kind of become, the field has become like the...
It's the field of dreams.
It's called the mistakes.
It's called the
Oopsville. It's the home for like misfit Volkswagen. It's like, what in the world do we buy these for?
Yeah.
So we're going to goof with that a little bit. I think Seaside the Vanagon's going to go through that and put a nice list together for our buddies over at Go Westy. Going to have a little collaboration on that. Absolutely.
And I'm so excited to be back with Go Westy. You know, from the very beginning with the harvest and everything, they've always just been super helpful.
I had a little gathering last night with some teacher friends after school yesterday, and everybody just that is something about that color and that Vanagon, and people just, oh, this is awesome. And I said, yeah, it's going to be one nice Vanagon when we're done with it. So, y'all, it's going to be a fun day. Join us as we have another day of living the VW life. That's all we do. LIVIN.
Oh, that's all we do.
No, really. No, that's all we do. You know, there's one in every crowd, Tommy. Oh my God, it's worse.
That's good.
What if I get footage of you?
We can do that too.
The Beard of Wonder, the old man, Tommy B. Smith, driving down the highway.
Yep, here we are.
Driving again.
Saturday.
So we are at the location getting this pan because when in doubt, get more Volkswagen parts.
So it's not even a full Volkswagen, it's just a Super Beetle Pan. So if anybody needs Super Beetle Pan, let us know.
I just haven't got all the whittling done yet. I'm trying to figure out how I want it to sit.
This is pretty awesome.
What's the frame on?
Totally solid
It's
Beetle,
a
but this thing's gonna be up in
Really?
the air, crazy. He's gonna put like an LS motor in it and some big old super swampers.
Sectioned it and everything.
Well, they
Crazy.
shortened it to put a Chevrolet pickup on it.
So he cut the frame to make it line up with the wheel arches.
They were
That's pretty neat, I like that.
yeah, kind of wavy. And that's why I was looking for a Suburban or an early Blazer because it had a straight section in the middle. So that's what I was hunting for. So you should edition Beetle on a 75 Blazer chassis.
Yeah.
And that
I think he said it could if we had to. Scoop it up. Oh, it's on a pallet.
He's probably gonna throw it on the ground.
There you go.
Whoa!
You got it?
I need help, quick.
Yeah.
Roll the brake. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Down. Okay, there we go. That's not bad.
Good job, VWLIFE.
He just let it go. Carry you were just like test work.
That's it.
You were just testing the weight. What the?
So we went one strap going across, holding it down, and you got one over here on the torsion tube, and then there.
Like to roll it to the back.
Yeah.
Around. Let's just put the field in.
All right. Heading to TJK HQ.
All right, well, looks like they've got the pan back to HQ. It's a real beaut.
Look who decided to show up.
Hello, everybody. This is a real nice pan, huh?
So right now we're taking off the strands, guys, huh?
Vice grips too. Over here. Hold up. can make a German look now.
Be careful, you got a bracket stolen, then it won't go through the hole.
Yeah, I got the grub screw loose, but that's not coming off. I need to get a pry bar or something. Maybe it'll come off.
Bolt out?
Oh, money shot.
Where'd it go? Oh, wow.
Two, one.
Oh, yeah. Got it? Good job, guys. Number 2, let's get it.
Blood.
Good thing we have the emergency section in the shop.
Blood. VWLIFE reminds you, practice
Fucking
shot
tires on
safety.
the front at least, and
That's
then
right, safety first.
Drag it over
drag it to the
No one
front.
wants to get hurt working on these old
We can always
cars.
come back.
Time to accomplish lunch.
Okay, we're back from lunch and we've got a little motor build here. This is gonna be a super top secret motor build for something we've got going on. What do we got here, Tommy?
Just a 1600 dual port. But I think the end result for what we're doing, we'll take everybody along for that super secret scenario. But it'll be fun to give back to the community.
So you brought this over and we're gonna build this, and we've got the tins here. So I guess step one is we need to get the long block. You've got the long block assembled, is that what you did?
Yeah, we're good. We're good to go on this.
Okay.
We just need to assemble a top end on it.
So the next step is to get all the tins in order and painted. 3, 2. Yeah, look at that. That's a fan shroud.
Magic right there.
Magic. This is a doghouse fan shroud. See the big extension here? That's what we call a doghouse fan shroud. This is part of the super secret engine build that we're working on right now. All right, after the parts washer, I got it out here and I'm sanding it, wet sanding it with 320, and that's gonna get us ready for paint. So that's coming along. As you can see, it's looking very nice. Let's go see what the other guys are up to. Jake is cleaning the steering box that came on the Super Beetle. That's gonna be for sale, right?
Absolutely, Matt Jackson. Somebody out there could probably use one of these. So I'm getting it nice and clean so we can have good pictures of it for them.
Over here, Gary is preparing other parts of the tin. We've got the doghouse little thingy-majigger to clean up, and it looks like he's straightening an alternator strap.
Yeah, generator strap. We're gonna get this all prepped. You see how this usually what happens to people over tighten these and they flatten out this part here, because this should have a 90-degree bend in it. So when it comes tight, it's like perfect.
So you want a 90-degree bend right here
in that end right there.
on the end.
Yeah, because usually it gets smushed flat because people over tighten.
Let's go see what Martin's doing. Martin is in the shed. He's got the vacuum going. He's in here. Over here in the back area, we've got Tommy and Mike putting the fenders on the 6672. Is that what this is?
Something like that. 6571.
6571.
Yeah. 65 body, totally dechromed on a 71 chassis.
And that's part of the reason why this ended up not being able to be our little class 11, because that would have disqualified it from being in the races.
Live and learn, live and learn. Hopefully somebody will take this and have a good time with it.
That's right. That's why we're putting the fenders on it right now. We're gonna take some photos of this sweet thing and post it up for sale. It's a solid little project.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Tighten that other fender over there.
All right, right here we've got a complete list of everything you need to build a motor for Volkswagen, right, Gary?
That's pretty much it.
What we'll do is we'll post a link to this file on our Facebook page. There'll be a link below, and you can download it, and that way you have your own little checklist.
Yeah, it's a great list when you're trying to put like if you don't have anything, that way you don't miss anything.
Because it seems like you always miss something.
Yeah, there's a lot of little nitpicky pieces you got to make sure you get. I mean, just so many little pieces. So as I've gone, I just keep adding more and more stuff to the list.
Yep. So that's kind of what we're going over for this. We've been working on the tins and assembling all the little pieces that are on the list. We're dealing with a clogged up intake manifold. We're trying to clear out the gunk out of that. We've got this fan shroud completely stripped down and ready for paint, but it's just too windy today to paint it. But we got these smaller pieces painted, and we're making progress on this motor.
Hey everybody, whew, look at us, we're wore out.
We're sitting down.
We are. It's been a good day. We got a pan, and we got
A trans that came with the pan.
Yep, transmission, nice IRS transmission. So we're gonna keep that because we don't know the unknown on the 68 fastback.
Yep.
So we decided to keep that just in case. So that was a good plan. So we kind of sorted that, pulled that, put the pan up. It's nice and stored away and already posted. That was the first time we've ever moved a Super Beetle Pan when it's kind of wumpy. They don't really roll because the front tires go wing.
Yeah.
So
Like what?
Wing.
Like what?
Then the work began on the secret motor.
Yes, we're working on a secret project.
Project X.
Project X, and that'll be coming. Well, you'll see more of that soon. But we also put fenders on the 6671 Beetle.
6570. What are we gonna do with that thing?
That's for sale too.
Oh, everything. It's, you know what? It's like a spring cleaning around
It's a
here.
fire sale. Everything's for sale.
Fire. Owner has brain damage. Everything must go. Mad Martin was like the sandblast king today. He had fun sandblasting.
It's not fun.
It's not
It's
fun.
not fun at all.
You just get in there, put your favorite podcast on, and just check out.
We need a really good compressor.
Yeah. If there's
Can we get a-
anybody want
can
to
we get a
sponsor us
sponsorship for that?
big old compressor would be nice.
Yeah, the
Because all we got right now is the old Craftsman.
Yeah, if you guys know of a good sponsor, let us know.
For a nice big old compressor. But we did make a lot of headway.
Right, we still also need to work on the van again. I know you guys were asking about that, and the fastback. Those are still on the list. So we need to kind of get refocused after we finish the pan and the motor build.
Yeah, Project X and the pan. The pan's done. Matt Jackson showed you guys the spreadsheet we have with all the parts to put a motor together. I mean, we're talking like turnkey. There's a lot of pieces. We appreciate you guys joining us today on this episode of VWLIFE. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about Volkswagen Life. VWLIFE. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you soon.